Introducing the 2022 Volkswagen T-Roc 2.0TDI 116 horsepower style, with sleek grey exterior, powerful 2-litre engine, and loaded with top-of-the-line features like air conditioning, Bluetooth phone, and lane departure warning. Safety is key with ABS, collision avoidance braking, and multiple airbags. Plus, enjoy luxury touches like below-seat storage, voice control, and chrome package styling. This 77,542 kilometres beauty is fully checked, serviced, and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out on this incredible deal. Call us or visit blackwatermotors.ie for more information. Drive away in style and safety today.